or afternoon or whatever time it is. Today we're talking about something that is super important for all businesses, small or large, but especially focusing on small businesses today. Talking about finances and accounting, yay, super exciting. As creatives, sometimes we find that talking about finances and organizing our finances can be really, really difficult because it is the opposite side of what we're passionate about and what we love. However, ignoring finances and not taking them into account when you're running your business can be really, really detrimental. So today I'm sharing a few bits and pieces with what I do and how it can apply to you in your small business. First of all, it is very important that you have a separate business account to your personal account. So in regards to your spending or your finances, definitely separate them. Personally, I use Tide, but there are a lot of other options out there that you can use. However you separate your business and your personal bank accounts is up to you, but I highly recommend it. Some clients also will not pay you into your personal account and will only pay you into your business account. It is essential to have them. Also, it looks more professional as well. So when you're invoicing your customers and your clients, when they see the word business account, it's a lot more professional than having like a personal account on there. That's first things. Also, you really should be using an accounting software to keep on top of your expenses and what's coming in and what's coming out. So there are a lot of different options out there. For example, QuickBooks is one that is really, really good. But having all your accounts somewhere where you can clearly see them and sort them is very essential to your business. It helps you to keep on track of what you're spending, as well as when you're doing your accounting, like submitting your taxes and all your financial information to HMRC, having a separate finances makes the whole process a lot easier. So definitely have a accounting software to sort out and sort out all your finances. Also, I recommend any small business becoming VAT registered. It's not an essential, like you don't have to do it, so it is optional, providing you're earning under a certain amount. I'll find out how much that is. I think it's 100,000. So becoming VAT registered is optional if you're earning over £90,000 for the last 12 months. So you actually don't have to become VAT registered. It is more paperwork, it is more time consuming. However, becoming VAT registered for me has been really great because 20% of whatever I'm spending on for my business, I can then get it back from HMRC because I'm VAT rated. Also on top of that, customers and clients who maybe own a shop or they're buying wholesale, it enables them to also claim back the VAT on their end. So a lot of clients actually prefer for you to be VAT rated. Again, it's not essential, but it definitely does help in the long run. That's what I have found personally for my business. When invoicing clients, it's really, really handy to have your invoicing linked to either your bank account or your accounting software. So when I invoice my clients, for example, I do it through my bank account, and that way then I can link my payments coming in with the invoice that I give to my clients. So on your invoices, there's a few key things that really need to be on there. So that includes obviously your business name and address and contact information, as well as your company number and your VAT number. Also need the reference of the invoice, the amount due, and the issue date, and especially a due date. Always set a due date for your invoices. This kind of helps you to financially plan what's coming in and what you can budget for. Initially, of course, you put the contact information for your client and then a breakdown and a description of what you're invoicing for. Finally, you put your bank information, so your sort code and account number. Having all of these vital things on your invoices will help clients pay you quickly and efficiently. Of course, it might be the case where clients take a bit of time to pay. So if that is the case, I recommend waiting for a little bit, maybe for a week or two. Send them updates and reminders. In addition, you can always let your clients know beforehand that there will be late payment fees. So in the past, I have had clients who have refused to pay or have paid incredibly late. So I always let clients know that, hey, if you pay late, your fee will go up by 10% or 15%. This is a really, really great way to get clients to pay on time and efficiently. With certain bank accounts as well, you can also set up a payment link. Now, this is really, really handy for clients as it makes payments really easy and really, really convenient for them. However, please be aware that there may also be a deduction fee of your payment, so like 10-15% sometimes, depending on your bank and what bank you're using to do that. So I personally do not send payment links because the extra money, I don't include it in my invoice. There's a few more things that need to go into a bit more detail. For example, the taxes, and anything else that I kind of think of, I will create a new lesson plan for it. However, that is the basics of financial planning for your small business.